Hi, this is Janet from Janet's Numerology. If you enjoy this content, you are welcome to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Each month I share a video where you can find your personal month number and explore what the month holds for you, along with a numerology oracle card selected for your energy. So there are three important aspects to consider with any number in your numerology blueprint chart. Number one is the position of the number in the chart. And so just like with buying property or real estate, where they say position, position, position is the most important thing, it's exactly the same with the numbers. So you need to understand in what position the number is in the chart. And what does that position represent? Is it in a position of strength? Or is it in a position that represents a challenge? Or a position that represents a certain tone for a certain period of time? Is it something that you have yet to master? Is it where you are going? Is it your soul's deepest desire? What is the position of the number in the chart? Number two is what the number is made up of. So for example, let's take the number 4. So if the number 4 was gained by adding 2 plus 2 together, it carries a very different flavor to a 4 that was gained by adding a 3 plus a 1, and even more different to the 4 obtained from adding a 6 plus a 7, which adds to 13, and 1 and 3 adds to 4. And so people may have the same life path, but what is that number made up of? It's made up of your birthday, your birth month, and your birth year. And everybody with a similar or the same life path will not have the same birth date. So it plays out a little bit differently. And then number 3 is how other numbers influence. So some numbers are weak in the chart and they need to be strengthened. And so one will bring in numbers that support it, that gently nudge it in the right direction, and that bind together with it to help it to do what it needs to do. On the other hand, you may have a number that tends to get a little bit out of hand in a lifetime. Maybe it becomes too egotistical or too proud or too biting or sarcastic. And then you need to bring in a number that will soften it, mitigate it, make it smaller, make it less, make it kinder, make it gentler. And so we always need to look in a chart at each number to see what did you bring in to strengthen it, or what did you bring in to tone it down or mitigate it. And so these three are very important: position, 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 what the number is made up of, and how other numbers influence it.